Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Sign into your Wix account and open Spaces in the dashboard right away. Click the Spaces icon to view existing spaces and settings in one place. Create a new space by clicking Create Space and choosing a template from the gallery. Name your space clearly, set privacy to public or members only, and then click Create to initialize it. Wait for the space to load, then proceed to add content, members, and customize sections for your community or team. Add sections such as posts, events, files, and chat to structure your space clearly. Click Add Section, choose a section type, and arrange sections by dragging them into your preferred order. Invite members by entering emails or copying an invite link and share it. Invite up to 50 members initially as you grow. Assign roles by selecting owner, moderator, or member to control permissions and moderation capabilities. Use pinned posts and a welcome message to orient new members quickly and efficiently. Publish your space when ready and share the unique URL or connect a custom domain for branding. Enable integrations such as calendar, forms, and payments to extend your space functionality and capture registrations. Configure payments and pricing, then review settings to support monetization or free access. Monitor analytics to track member activity, engagement, and growth metrics on a weekly basis. Set notifications and schedule a daily digest at 9:00 a.m.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.